Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today learn how to earn money online in Bangladesh in 2022. Find 15 ways to make money online for beginners and students with creative ways to make money offline in Bangladesh. There are many people who want to manage their own expense by online earning in Bangladesh while being a student. Again, many people want to know about the best online earning site in BD or how to make money online without paying anything. If you are interested in how to earn money online without investment for students and want to know about the online earning site in Bangladesh, then you are at the right place. You can easily earn money online in Bangladesh by following our complete guide on how to make money online for beginners. Let's take a look at how to make money online for free at home in Bangladesh. By following our tutorial, you can earn money online BD with some real ways to make money from home. List of ways to earn money online in Bangladesh. First of all, first option, earn money online from e-commerce, make money from affiliate marketing, make money by becoming online reseller, make money selling gently used items, make money from on-demand ride service, earn money online by freelancing work, make passive income by renting your car, earn money online by taking paid service, earn money as a private tutor online at home, earn money by creating your YouTube channel, uh, make money on social media as an influencer, make money by starting profitable blog niche, make money with freelance content writing, earn money online by writing paid reviews, make money doing part-time photography. So first, earn money online from e-commerce. How to be good that? So if you ever wonder how can I earn money online, then there is the simplest solution of online earning BD. As the e-commerce sector is rapidly growing day by day, selling on e-commerce site like Daras Bangladesh can be an easy way to earn money online. By knowing how to be a seller on Daras, you can easily start selling online and will get your answer on how to earn money from home. Number two, make money from affiliate marketing. How to be good that? If you have a website, YouTube channel or Facebook page, then affiliate marketing can be the best online jobs for students to earn money. You can check Dara's affiliate program to make money from affiliate marketing for beginners with Bcash payment method. Number three, how to make money by becoming online reseller. So you can make money as an online reseller by starting your reselling business. First, choose the right products and then purchase them from the right wholesaler. Then set your own margins and price your products to ensure your reseller business is profitable. Number four, how to make money selling gently used items. You can earn money online free by selling your old used items to various websites in Bangladesh like Bikra.com, eBazaar, ClickBD, etc. This is a great way to earn money online without investment for students. Number five, how to make money from on-demand ride service. You can earn money by signing up with ride hailing, food delivery and freight service like Pathao, Uber, Ubhai, etc. This is an easy way to make money online as a student without any investment. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.